Hello guys, I'm back and I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Rose preamp. This is actually a preamp that I bought about a week ago, and I was really excited to get this. I was really looking, I think this sell for about like 59 bucks online. So I found it a really good deal, so I purchased it like a week ago. So I'm finally going to open it up and show you guys, and this is a quick unboxing of it. As you see, it's a small box. So basically what this is, from what I have just took a quick look at, this is like a preamp for your microphone. If you are doing filming and you need a preamp to power your condenser microphone, this is what this is. But it's also like a monitor. You could hook up, actually you could hook up speakers to it, a microphone, and I think it gives you phantom power. So it's like a mini monitor system. So we'll take a look at it right now. As you can see, this is a brand that I have never heard of before, but it's made in the USA. And just from the name, to me, it seemed like it's quality. Um, Here we go. Take a look. And again, when I purchased this, this was actually an open box. It was brand new, but it was just an open box. So take a look. This is, I guess, this instruction manual. It looked like it was printed online off of their website. But okay, here we go. This is the adapter. And again, this is my first time, doing this unboxing. And this is my first time looking at it, actually. I never had a chance to really, take a look at it or read about it. But yeah. So everything you're seeing right now is for the first time for me too. So what is this? Oh, okay, this is a power adapter. This is I think it's looked like a 5-volt adapter. Basic plastic adapter. And here we go. This is what I wanted to get right here. This is it. Wow. It's really heavy. Let's see if I could get a better look at it. Here it is. Wow, look at that. Yeah. This is really heavy and it feels solid. This is actually a metal enclosure. Like a lot of these preamps that you buy on monitoring systems, the enclosure is usually plastic, but this one, it's metal. So it feels really solid. And again, just from the name, Rose, I never heard of the brand before, but just seeing the name and seeing that it's made in the USA, the quality is going to be good. And yeah, it feels really nice. And it's really small, in my hand. I have pretty large hands, but not that large, about medium-sized hands, as you can see. Try to get it to focus so you can see everything. Wow, this is really nice. And again, okay, here it is, personal monitor amp. So yeah, that's what it does. So basically, right here, um, so this must be, one of these is for the mic in and mic out. I'm just take a look real quick. It's not labeled, but yeah, you have a microphone. Let me see if I get one real quick. I'm sorry about that. Let's see if I can find a microphone really quick. That's a condenser. Here we go. Just a minute. So this is it. So basically, if you have a condenser microphone like this, so this is how it works. So basically, you would take this in the XLR, and it has one XLR input. And let's see if I could do this really close, but this will plug into this like this. And the other XLR will plug into your camera. If you have a camera that has the 3.5 millimeter jack, you could buy a XLR adapter that has the XLR adapter on one end and a 3.5 millimeter jack. And the jack, of course, the 3.5 millimeter jack will go into your camera, and the other end of the cable will go into here. So basically, that's how you will hook it up to your camera. And this is actually what I bought it for. I bought this so I could basically connect my condenser mic to my camera or to my GH3 in order to get better sound quality. And this should work. I'm really excited to use this to see how it works. But that's how it will work. You just plug the other end into your camera, or I'm trying to think if there's another system. But I just got this for my camera. But what's great about this is the fact when you plug it into your camera, you have volume control or gain control. You can control the gain of your microphone, and this is what I wanted. And also, by using a preamp, instead of using a preamp that's in your camera, if you use one like this, external one, it's going to give you better sound quality. It's going to have less noise. And that's the whole key for me to using this is two things. Is having more volume or more gain to my recordings and also having better sound or cleaner sound. So this should give me some cleaner sound and of course more volume to my recordings. And that's basically what I want it for. And right here, this is the mic level right here. As you can see, mic level. So this is what's going to give you more volume to your recordings. Like if you record with a microphone and your sound or your audio is too low where you can't, hear yourself speak once you play it back on YouTube. Well, this will fix this problem, hopefully. This will allow you to adjust the gain on your microphone so you can hear yourself or hear your recordings better. And a monitor level is for a pair of headphones. So as you can see, there's a headphone jack right here. And let me see. I don't know what this other jack is. It looks like a headphone jack right here, but this is a large one. This is a 1/4-inch headphone jack for headphones that have the 1/4-inch jack. So I don't know what's this other jack is for. I have to look it up and see. It might be for two. It says yeah, it might. I don't know. Maybe you could put the smaller headphones. I have to look it up and see. But again, let's see on the back you have. You have a switch right there. And okay, this is the side. This is where the adapter go. So this is where you would put your power adapter. And maybe this is an on and off switch. And again, I don't really know what's some of these connectors or ports that are on this device because I just got it. I haven't had a chance to look it up. I would check it out. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Again, this is the Rode PM50se monitor amplifier, personal monitor amplifier. And I'm just plug this real quick. And again, this is what you need if you want to, do some recordings where your audio has better quality and you can hear yourself better, or your viewers can hear you better on your YouTube channel. This is basically what you need. And again, from what I have read, just little information on this. This is like a whole monitor system. Like I say, you can put your headphones, and I believe you can actually hook up speakers, actually a pair of powered monitor speakers to this. So you have like a whole monitoring system, and this is what this is for. So yeah, this will give you better audio for your recordings and for your cameras. Instead of using a preamp that's built in your camera, this is what you need to get better audio and sound. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Just wanted to make this really quick. And that's about it. Okay. And I will make another video giving, complete details of this monitor and all the functions that it has. And I'm also going to do a quick test too later. So that's it for right now. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.